matters. This is a little bit unique. So first of all, you have a nice depth to it. So there's actually a helper handle created 360 degrees around this. I did the single handle because I also designed this so that you could have things slide out of here if you want. So think nachos, right? Nothing's going to stick to this. You can have it slide. You do your little appetizers and nothing's going to slide. I think we got to get to colors. I know. Hurry up.
Right.
But there's so many different things that we can show you about this, but this is a unique piece that I have never designed.
I just like hearing your ideas.
Oh, thanks.
I was like, ooh, pizza.
Yeah.
So wait a minute. Here we go.
Yeah.
We're going to the back.
Okay.
I'm actually going to start back here with the seasonal.
Perfect.
So we have two options for you in the seasonal. This garden, can you see? Can you see?
This is so beautiful.
Oh.
I don't think we've
not
ever done a
stunning?
platter in our garden pattern.
Remember the bread bowl earlier?
That'll mix and match perfectly. Love the idea of those together. Yes, thank you.
It even fits this way.
Of course.
Hello.
It does.
Oh my gosh. Then we have patriotic.
Beautiful.
I'm going to grab back there. Oh gosh, we have about 300 in each of those, so no, I'm not. We have the red doodle.
I have to tell you, that doodle is spectacular.
Adorable. 450.
Then we have white woodland, which I was just showing you.
Thank you.
Sneaking in there. Look at that. Beautiful carved detail.
Can I just say, coming up,
Yep.
I love
So fun.
the olive
Mixing
flutter
those?
with the woodland.
Yes, yes,
I
beautiful.
think that's so pretty in the mini bakers.
Then, of course, we did our classics piece.
Here is the floral lace black. 150.
You want to hand it to me?
Then we have, thank you, love.
Sure.
Then we have floral lace gray. 150.
Wow.
Aren't you lovely?
Okay.
Thank you. Then we have floral lace red, 200, and floral lace blue, 300 to go around. Oof. Okay, so we got that. Here is Old World green.
So pretty.
150 left. Then we have Old World blue. 150 left, and we have Old World confetti. 350 left. That's it. When I see this price tag, $27.50, woodland is flying out the door already.
I'll bring that forward with me.
Remember, these match the pieces. Look, I want you to look at this. I'm going to grab a piece from the completer set.
I was just going to say, can I put the completer set on this tray?
Yes, yes.
You do that. I'm going to do this.
Perfect. Do that.
Because this is also something really fun when you want to go ahead and have, like, you know, like a tea service or that. Look at how everything fits perfectly right on this tray. So if you picked up the completer set, look at how beautiful that will coordinate back. But look at some of the things that we did, right? Remember, you can chill these, so you can keep them cold. So I love the fact of doing like a big raised salad on here, or in this case, the crudité. Thank you. This piece, I am so in love with our 3-quart oval baker. We haven't done a piece like this in so many years, and never in white woodland. And then, of course, you have that liddit that goes along with it. So you can start to see, just by picking up these pieces in the show, you can coordinate. This is the ultimate in your charcutes board, right? So I love the fact that, look at that, you have that nice surface area, you have that single handle, but the end is also a handle as well. Why I designed it was, if think about all your apps, you want to move them into a different place, pick up that handle, everything will slide right off of it.
So 15.9 inches by 9.9 inches.
Yeah, it's huge.
Yeah, that's
it's huge.
Over 1,000.
And then look at this ham. This is about a 7-pound ham. What?
It's my favorite segue of all time. Look at this ham. Yes, I
did.
It has my rapt attention.
Beautiful.
Very limited in white woodland, by the way.
Look at that. But I love, this is just showing you the capacity, right? A 7-pound ham sliced with all of your sweet potatoes around it. This can be, of course, your turkey at Thanksgiving. Think about all the ways you'll use a platter, even if it was just for the center of the table, and you swap things out, and every year, every season, you did something new as far as the centerpiece.
I am just
These
designing in my head.
This with the completer? I should have included it with the completer.
This is the white woodland, the tray underneath, by the way. The tray is what this presentation is about. It's K77764.
Get it off. Get your computer set off.
No, 5 easy payments of $550. The only reason I say that is because I don't want you to wait on that white woodland.
Beautiful.
It is flying.
And even the silhouette, you see that? How you have that nice depth there?
Yes. Okay, wait. Quickly. Patriotic.
Can I show the patriotic?
Yes, please.
If you picked up that runner, like I just have to say,
left.
this is like hot dogs and hamburgers all day. Like, look at that. Gorge.
And you can slide the dogs
and
right off the
roll
end.
right off.
250 in the garden, 250 in the patriotic. Here's the doodle.
The doodle. My fave.
300.
My fave.
And then we have floral lace in the blue. 200 left. Floral lace red. We still have 150 left. Then we have floral lace gray. 100 left. Then we've got floral lace black and 100. Quickly, we've got Old World in the confetti. 300 left. Then we have Old World blue. 100 left there, and then Old World Green, and there's 100 there. Woo! Woodland is gone.
By the way, Jason called the green the OG.
Also, I think we're all in a full sweat.
The OG. I heard you. I love that. I love it.
The Old World Green.
Yeah,
I
the
love
OG.
it. 5 easy payments of $550. Hey, by the